Quanzhou Melasta New Energy Company Limited, a subsidiary of Melasta Corporation, specializes in research, development, and production of portable power battery, dedicated to providing global customers with competitive lithium-ion batteries and related products. Melasta possesses deep development capabilities in battery management systems, mold structures, and electronics components, implementing advanced ERP production management systems with intelligent management software development, ensuring information is visualized in real time and integrated. Adhering to our lean production philosophy, Melasta operates 8 production lines including semi-automatic spot welding, automatic spot welding, laser welding, and SMT patching. Strictly carry out international certification standards such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 13485. Melasta comprehensively controls every aspect from raw material inspection, production process, to battery performance testing, ensuring batteries are perfectly integrated with both hardware and software. Technology changes the world, and green energy drives the future. Melasta's innovative energy technology always keeps moving.